Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Dollar Tree budget dinner challenge that I did quite a while ago. It was back when Dollar Tree was still a dollar for everything, and these challenges made sense to do. Now, with the way the prices went up, it doesn't make much sense to do a challenge like this at Dollar Tree. I don't feel it would save you much money. However, I do think that the meal idea in this video was good. I'm actually tempted to make it this week for dinner, and I thought that it would be nice to post it again in case somebody could get some ideas from this, if it would spark some creativity. You could probably recreate this with ingredients from a less expensive store. It's possible Dollar Tree still has some of these ingredients at a halfway decent price. I haven't looked. I don't really shop there for groceries too much anymore, but the meal idea is solid, so I wanted to repost this in case anybody could use a meal idea for dinner tonight. All right, this is what I ended up with from Dollar Tree. I got a pepper stir fry with onions and red, yellow, green peppers. I got a pack of 12 brown and serve rolls. I got a 20-ounce pack of thin spaghetti, so that should be more than enough to feed everybody. I picked up this smoked sausage. I'll cut that up and throw it in. And then garlic salt, because I'm going to be using it in the pasta dish, and then I'm going to be putting it over the rolls for like a garlic bread type thing. So that is our meal there. There's the receipt, $5, no tax. All right, I'm doing this all in one pan because my two kettles are both in the dishwasher. So I'm gonna cook up the noodles first. So the pasta's done. I pulled that out. It's draining. I'm gonna come back over to here and put in some oil. I'm gonna throw in the peppers and chop up the sausage. These are in that little pan. This is the whole pack of 12. I'm gonna cover these with oil, but I have this sitting around, so I'm just gonna use this, sprinkle garlic salt on, and throw them in the oven. This looks pretty well cooked. I'm gonna mix the noodles in, and then we're just waiting on the rolls. All right, here's the completed meal. We've got sausage, peppers, pasta, and then 2 rolls. That is the $5 Dollar Tree budget meal. Overall, I thought it was a little bit bland and a little dry, so we did add in more garlic salt, more oil. Everybody liked it. I had no leftovers. So if you guys made it this far into the video, please consider helping me out by hitting that subscribe button, hitting that like button, commenting. It really does help my channel out. Thanks for watching. This was super fun. Stick around. My daughter told me a hilarious joke, and I'm gonna pop that in here because it cracks me up every time I watch it. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Orange.
Orange who?
Orange, you glad I didn't say banana? Okay, your turn.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Chocolate.
Chocolate who?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Chocolate.
Chocolate who?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Banana, are you glad that I didn't say chocolate?
Very nice.